Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix unblock someone on Snapchat but they disappeared. For example, if you simply unblock someone on your Snapchat and after unblocking you do not see that person in your contact list or friend list, then how you can fix that? Basically, when you block someone on Snapchat, which means you are removing that person from your friend list. So if you unblock that person again, for example, if I unblock a specific person on my Snapchat and after I search for that specific person on my friend list, then that person will not be available, because when you block someone on Snapchat, that person is not your friend again. And what you have to do, you have to simply add that friend again as you have unblocked that person. And after that, as you can see, I am searching for that person in my friend list, but it is not shown here, because if you unblock someone on Snapchat and you have unblocked them again, then you will not find the same person on your Snapchat friend list. So what you have to do, you have to simply search for that person in your friend list, which means you have to simply add that person in quick add again so that you can be friends again. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.